on your stock Abarth, you'll find that you have this hose that goes from the recirc valve all the way up through the piping, all the way through back into the intake. Now all you need to do, there'll be 2 clips, one here, one down there. Just get a flathead screwdriver into the side of it, twist it out and it'll pop off. No need to buy a separate tool for that. You'll be able to pull that off. Get rid of that hose. Now from there, you'll be left with this one. I put a cap on this one, but it will just be an open hole. You can leave it as it is. I drove for months without it. It's sweet, and it'll be like this. And if you just go driving now, you'll be absolutely fine, and it will just be the blow-off sound. The first step would be to buy yourself an intake of some sort. Any aftermarket intake will work. So anything like this would work. Like me, I've gone with it's just mesh at the moment. Second step to this is you want to remove the power supply here that connects up to the solenoid. You first get a flathead screwdriver, poke it in here, try and pop this yellow part out. As you get to about there, you want to grab this part, and that pushes it out as far as you can. Then, depending on if you've ever done it before, you just pull it out like that. I see I've done it many times, so it's a lot easier, but if you've never done it before, you might need to give it a bit of a shake.